So, welcome everybody to my little Greenshot tutorial. We'll just quickly hit the download button on getgreenshot.org. I'll put the link in the description. I already did that to save some time. And let's proceed to the installation, which is pretty straightforward. Just choose your desired language, accept the agreement, and spam the next button. And you really want to start Greenshot with the Windows Start, so you don't have to start it manually each time you reboot your computer. So at the end of the setup, we can automatically start it. So this is our little Greenshot symbol, which is active as long as Greenshot is running. And whenever we now hit the print button, which I'll do now, our cursor stays where it was, and we get another with these wonderful magnifying lens. So we can drag an area open. We can see how big this area is and where exactly we are in the magnified area. Just release the mouse button, and for now I'll open this in the image editor, which comes with Greenshot. Wonderful tool. First, from here we can draw just freely on everything we want. We can highlight single areas or draw rectangles or just around it. So I'm coming from Germany, let's draw something around here. Draw around as we want and resize how we want it. So we'll keep the aspect ratio and just around double the size to have some space to work with. Can add counters. No, it's nice. Let's give them a 1. Oh, sorry. If this thing happens, just delete and it's gone, or undo. If there's something you want to edit and it's no longer selected, you can take the selection tool, reselect it, modify it, drag it around. Pretty straightforward. If that's not enough, we can export to Microsoft Paint. And if we want to use our screenshot in documents, we can just go over to export it, right over to Microsoft Word, for example. Open in the background. So, and we got a new document with our complete screenshot. We can no longer edit it, but we have it just inside our new document. Take that into another document, print it out, resize it again. Just normal functionality of Word. But we can also print directly from the image editor, or to be honest, right from this menu. So if I took this screenshot, I could send that directly to the printer, whichever is attached. Save it as a file. Save it as a file on a specified in a specified location. Directly export to wherever I want. Let's try Word again, and here it goes. Pretty easy. To adjust some of the settings, we can just right click the icon and go to Preferences. Just play around with that sometime. It's pretty easy. If you want to save directly after taking a screenshot, just to remember this option. This is the standard location, your desktop in my case, and the file name pattern will be the timestamp and the window title in whichever format you want. Well, that's pretty much it. There's much more to try out. Just play around with it sometime. Have fun and see you again sometime.